Hi, this is my personal intro video for School Law 850 VA. My name is Marilyn Tate. I live in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I was born and raised in Oklahoma, a small town at Bringing, but I've lived in Oklahoma City for over 22 years now. I teach in an urban, low-income Title I school. I've taught there for on my 15th year, actually now. So very close, actually not far from where I live. I've worked as a math and reading remedial specialist during that time. I have also taught third grade, fourth grade, sixth grade, and this year I'm teaching fifth grade for the first time. I teach to a variety of students' languages, ability levels, and all different kinds of things. So, a critical reflection of my school and my district. My school administrator herself, as far I know, she is aware of the basic laws that we deal with every day as far as FERPA, privacy regarding students, not only records, but photographic privacy, things like that. Technology use, where we have to have parents sign off for students to use technology. IEPs, things like that. A lot of these things I do know she is aware of this because these things are taken care of during the enrollment process. The importance of which laws we really need to focus on, or legally what we need to focus on, is placed by our district administration, but we try to follow everything that we know. Self-critique what I know, basically. I just know the basics. I know what I've dealt with over the years when something has come up, when I've had to do it. I haven't studied school law in any way, or I look into our district policies when I need to. State and federal, same thing. So, I mean, I'm aware of FERPA. I'm aware of some Title I regulations and laws. I've dealt with that. I, understand students' rights to enrollment. I've had to deal with that as far as what schools in our district they can enroll in, or how the enrollment process. Of course, the regulations and laws regarding students with IEPs. A lot of things to do with testing, and just the basics, like I said, things that I deal with. So specifically, I don't know a lot. Okay, my plan. My plan is first to get this teacher's pocket guide to school law and just go through it, look through it, see what I am familiar with, and then what I'm not. And then once I've gone through that, I want to go ahead and delve into our district's policies more in depth, specifically maybe chart it along with the pocket guide to school law and see where can I find where our school district's policies address these issues. Then I need to look at our current school and classroom practices. So at the school level, what we're doing, then my own in the classroom. Make sure, am I doing everything I need to do to make sure I am following the letter of the law and legally, making sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to for my kids and for their privacy and their rights as far as education is concerned. I need to identify areas where we have little or no compliance, and then bring those up with the school administrator so that we could address something like that. And then I just need to spread the word to my coworkers and let them know, hey, this is something we aren't doing a good job at, and legally we're supposed to be doing this, or we're not supposed to be doing this, and we have got to do a better job. So again, I don't know a lot, and I'm hoping that that's what I'm going to get out of this class. I'm going to learn what I don't know and do a better job, and just be aware of a lot of things that I know I'm not. So have a great semester. Thank you.